If you're a business owner or a founder, the chances are your industry is being eaten alive by AI right now. Anthropic, the company behind one of the most powerful AI systems in the world, released this chart. The blue is what AI is theoretically capable of right now. The red is what has actually been deployed so far. Legal, management, business and finance, office and admin, computer science. Look at the distances between the blue and the red relevant points. Essentially, everything people build their whole careers around is sitting in the blue zone, waiting to become cheap and common, easily overrun by AI. And when every competitor has access to the same tools, produces the same outputs, what makes someone choose you? You see, the business owners that are already trying to answer that question are the ones leading the pack. The ones who haven't are about to feel what happens when that red zone takes over the whole circle. However, inside this shift, I believe there are significant opportunities available right now to every founder and business owner watching. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. If you're new here, my name is TJ, and I help business owners build their personal brand on YouTube so that you can blow up your business. My own original channel generates around 6 million views each year. And that number matters here because what I'm about to share is precisely how that kind of visibility becomes the most powerful business asset you can build in this environment. So the likelihood is you're thinking about what AI is going to disrupt in your business, in your industry. And the truth is, it's not just AI taking capabilities and compressing them into $20 tools. It is what is happening to the people those tools are displacing. As layoffs accelerate and careers disappear, millions will turn to entrepreneurship and content creation to rebuild their income.
I've sent 1,328 applications, secured 19 interviews, and 0 job offers. I'm 25 years old and spent £70,000 on a bachelor's of science in biological science and a master's in biomedical science just to end up jobless. By all indications, I have all the qualifications to not be unemployed, but I am. And if this is the Lord's way of telling me to jump full scale into content creation, I will.
They will absolutely flood every platform, every niche, every industry with new voices competing for the same attention. At the exact same moment, existing businesses and creators are producing AI-generated content, or some people say slop. They'll be capable of doing this at speeds that we previously thought impossible. And you can almost ask AI how to do anything now. So there may or may not be depth to it, but the content will likely look very clean and polished, and increasingly indistinguishable from content made by a real person. The result will be an internet filling up faster than anyone can keep up with, and most of it will likely sound very generic. This is where opportunity lives, because there is something AI cannot manufacture, no matter how capable it becomes. For example, it cannot carry the failures and the triumphs that you've been through in life. It cannot hold your hard-won perspective or earn your convictions. It cannot replace the belief system you have built through decades of real experience. And increasingly, buyers are not just choosing what they want, they are choosing who they want to learn from, who they want to buy from, and who they want to be led by. And that is a fundamentally different buying decision. It is subtle, it is personal, and it runs deeper than any algorithm can ever reach. And this kind of thing actually goes beyond any screen. AI, for example, can't stand on a stage. It can't run a room. It cannot create the kind of trust that forms when someone sits across from you in a live event or a workshop or a dinner. Your personal brand here is not just content strategy. It is the foundation that makes every in-person opportunity possible. The speaking engagements, the retreats, the rooms you get invited to, those all flow from the visibility and trust you build long before anyone meets you face to face. Most business owners are responding to all of this by optimizing internally. Better systems, better automation, better processes. All of this is smart and yes, probably necessary, but completely invisible to the market out there. The efficiency gains they are building inside their business that nobody sees. In the world where every competitor accesses the same tools and produces the same output, operational efficiency stops being a differentiator almost immediately. It's like an amazingly powerful engine under the hood in a car that no one can seize and therefore no one knows really exists. What the most dangerous business owners have already understood is this: as AI generates infinite content, human attention will consolidate. People will follow fewer trusted voices more deeply, more loyally, more permanently. The attention landscape is polarizing. A smaller number of voices in every industry will capture the majority of trust, and everyone else will become invisible. That dynamic already kind of exists, but AI will accelerate it dramatically. So the business owners building that personal brand right now are claiming territory before the space gets flooded with noise that all sounds exactly the same. If you're out there and you're thinking you want to start this and you have no idea where, I've built a free blueprint showing you the exact 3 videos every founder needs to publish first in order to build a personal brand that actually does some damage in the market. The link is down in the description. See, audiences are developing a subconscious radar for AI-generated content. Too competent, too polished, but hollow. Human content, specifically imperfect, earns ears, triggers, trust responses, and AI simply cannot replicate this. Maybe it will in the future, but there's still a window right now. The more automated everything becomes, the more genuine human voices stand out. Business owners or founders showing up as real humans are already benefiting from this contrast effect that will only sharpen. In my opinion, every other business asset carries a ceiling or dependency. Ad spend needs a budget. SEO depends on the algorithm you don't control. Referrals depend on relationships that could go cold. Products get copied, but a personal brand can compound on itself with no external dependency if you do it right. Every piece of content adds to a body of work that builds trust around your name. Every person who watches your content consistently and then reaches out to work with you has already spent months understanding how you think, your belief systems, what you stand for, and why your perspective matters to them. The conversation can start from there. They can become your clients or the buyers of your products. When every vendor starts to look identical on paper, the same AI polished copy, the same studies, the same optimized profiles, decisions will be based on who people think they know the best. The sales cycle for a business owner with a personal brand is going to be much shorter because the relationship has already been forming long before any transaction was on the table. That is an entirely different starting position, one that cold outreach and paid ads simply cannot replicate. You see, a personal brand follows you, not your company, not your product, you. And that matters more right now than ever before because nobody knows what AI is going to actually disrupt in the next few years. The platform you're building on right now, today, may not be a platform that matters in 3 years or 5 years. Business models that work right now may be unrecognizable by 2027 or 2030. With the pace of AI development, with hardware beginning to fundamentally change how people consume content in their daily lives, the honest answer is that nobody exactly knows where things are all going to end up. But founders with strong personal brands will be the best positioned for any kind of change. Why? Because when the landscape shifts, their audience can move with them. The trust they've built in, say, platform A can transfer over to platform B. They can leave that branded business over there and found a new branded business over here. The relationship between the trusted founder and the audience is the last thing to fall. The mistake most business owners make when they do start creating content is chasing topics instead of building a perspective. AI is the one that is great at producing topical content indefinitely. You know, I think about the exercise industry. Probably everybody since a child has known how to exercise. They can do push-ups, they can do sit-ups, they can go for jogs. So why do they need a personal trainer? The personal trainer doesn't tell them the exercises to do. And in this world we're in right now, AI can tell you what to do, but how do you implement things? How do you know what the right thing is to do? How do you know which option to select? That's why you need this personal trainer, or in our case, the personal brand. They're going to motivate you. They're going to show you through the path they've already conquered. And they're going to impart a belief system, a mentality, a discipline, and other valuable traits that's very difficult for an AI to actually replicate. The founders who win are the ones that are most recognizable for their thinking. The clarity and consistency of how you see the world is what people will follow, remember, and eventually return to. And it's not only clients and customers watching. Your best future hires or most valuable partners are also going to be connected to you through this personal brand. Your very best collaborator that's going to help you 10x your business might be watching the next video that you post. You see, personal brand builds an ecosystem, a network, not just a client pipeline. YouTube is the highest leverage platform for this right now because content compounds. A video published today still finds viewers in 2 or 3 years. It builds trust and depth. Genuine conversations are formed over hours of watched content, not in the shallow familiarity of social doom scrolling. YouTube becomes a distribution channel you own permanently. And it is my belief that every category does have a finite number of trusted voices it will support. Most of those slots are still open. The business owners who move in the next 1 to 3 years will likely hold them for a long time. Personal brand authority is sticky. The question is whether you're willing to build yours while the window is still open, or explain to yourself later why you waited. And there is one example of a founder that has done this incredibly well right now. He's in a market where his competitors are Apple, Samsung, and Google. I found his story so compelling that I broke down exactly how he's winning in the video that you're seeing on the screen right now. I suggest you go and watch that next. See you next time.